Hello everyone, myself Megha Shinde from Guru Govind Singh Foundation, Nashik. I am one of the participants in International Faculty Development Program on Environment and Sustainability. Today's my topic of presentation is IT and Environment Sustainability using Green Cloud Computing. So, what is sustainability? Ability to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs is nothing but a sustainability. It is the definition given by United Nations World Commission on Environment and Development. Other definition is sustainability is the capacity to improve the quality of human life while living within the carrying capacity of Earth's supporting ecosystem. It was the definition given by International Union for Conservation of Nature. Sustainability is all about stabilizing the currently disruptive relationship between Earth's two most complex systems that are human culture and the living world. This definition of sustainability was provided by environmentalist Paul Hocken, who has written about the realization that we are using and destroying the Earth's resources faster than they can be regenerated and replenished. Now we will come to the topic impact of information technology on environment and sustainability. So what is green IT? So green IT is nothing but a practice of environmentally sustainable computing. So green IT aims to minimize the negative impact of IT operations on environment by designing, manufacturing, operating and disposing of computers and computer related products in an environmentally friendly manner. Green IT basically covers two goals. First is reduce the amount of emissions released by IT systems and infrastructure, and second is reduce the emission from businesses and production processes with the aid of IT. It means in first goal they are reducing from IT system itself the emission, and in the second goal using IT they are reducing the emission from other businesses and production processes. So, what is green cloud computing? In cloud computing, we are using minimized number of resources, that is hardware is reduced and we are sharing that. So, here this diagram explains the green cloud computing. Here cloud data centers are there, user applications they are using the services from cloud data center, then it is reducing the emission of CO2 and power cost is also reduced, energy is reduced and carbon emission is also reduced. So in cloud computing we are focused on minimizing the hardware and resources we are using. So from the example of green cloud, we can say green IT refers to the study and execution of using computers and IT resources in a more well organized and competent way. So using green IT and green cloud, we have to focus on reuse, refurbish and recycle. So in reuse, we can say how we will reuse the computer system, donate computer parts to people who may not have or have lesser quality computer like inner city schools, libraries, etc. Refurbish, rather than discarding your old computer when new generation release, just get new CPU and memory chip. And recycle the plastic and other components in system. We will see now what are the benefits of using cloud computing on environment. So environmental benefits of cloud: reduce energy use. First benefit is reduce energy use. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory affirms that data centers consume approximately 1.8% of the overall energy consumption in US for each year. This translates to around 70 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually. The number is projected to increase to 73 billion kilowatt hours by 2020. So cloud computing reduces these figures significantly. So whatever data centers are consuming the energy, then using cloud computing we can reduce that energy consumption significantly. So research funded by Google and conducted by Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory in conjunction with Northern Western University revealed that transitioning commonly used software application to the cloud would cut energy use by 87%. So that is the main benefit of cloud computing, that it will reduce the energy use. Second benefit on environment of using cloud computing is decrease greenhouse gases emission. Cloud decreases the rate of carbon emission by reducing energy requirement and consumption. In previous example, we have seen that it will significantly reduce the energy consumption, so it will reduce the emission of carbon. Then a survey conducted by Accenture, Microsoft and WSP revealed that cloud computing has a sustainable effect on carbon emission. It affirmed that by using cloud computing, large companies can lessen per use carbon footprint by 30% and small enterprises can reduce carbon emission to 90%. Next use of green cloud computing is dematerialization. Cloud computing makes a positive contribution to sustainability through dematerialization. Dematerialization refers to the replacement of high carbon physical products with virtual equivalents. This helps to reduce energy use and carbon footprint. Additionally, cloud computing helps organizations to go paperless with the help of cloud storage options like Dropbox, SharePoint, and Google Drive. With cloud-based technologies like document signing, you don't have to print documents to sign them. You just do it with few clicks. Also, you don't need to store paper documents because all documents are stored safely and securely in the cloud. By going paperless, you reduce the need to dispose of documents that has negative environmental impact. Now, how data center can be efficient with the help of cloud computing? Cloud computing operates with greater efficiency than on-premises data centers. This results in efficient use of IT resources that have a positive outcome for the environment. Cloud computing is based on the concept of sharing services and hence maximizing the effectiveness of resources. Cloud computing centers use advanced technologies that are energy efficient. They use less energy for light, cooling, and power conditioning, resulting in energy saving. Some cloud data centers have shifted to renewable sources of energy to power their operations and hence reduce their carbon footprint. They are using renewable sources of energy such as solar, geothermal, hydropower resources, and wind. Cloud computing can save billions of dollars in energy costs and lessen carbon emissions by millions of metric tons.